Today, I will be sharing to you my process on how I did this painting in over a week. This is probably my last painting that I'll be making for now because I haven't filled my sketchbook ever since and I really miss it. So now, let's do the sketching. So for this one, I will be painting one of my favorite ghibli movies with the use of Winsor Newton acrylics and a huge canvas. Also, you asking me why I'm painting the Spirited Away. It is because I really love the movie so much and I really appreciate the animation style and the story behind the movie, so I decided to paint it myself for inspiration as well. And actually, I think it would be a great idea to display this in my room. And without being said, wish me luck. It's kinda a bit tricky sometimes when I detail this painting because the acrylic that I've been using is drying too fast, so it's like I've been wasting too much paint in just a single layer, so that's the problem. But anyways, let's continue this one. Okay, it's already day 4. On the process of my background, I think it would be a great idea to not to just copy the overall reference because if we try to rely too much on the reference, then there's no study on that. I think that is my mistake, why it's taking me too long to finish this one. But anyways, I don't care, I just want to enjoy it. Okay, so before I continue this painting, a lot of you asking me how I color grade my videos. Okay, let me show you. In my color grading process, I will be using the clips that I shot some days ago. So for this one, I will be using the Filmora LUTs because this way you can turn your videos into a static style that you like. That is something like this to this. Okay, first thing first, just pick the right LUTs on your clips. So for me, I usually use the Batman for the clouds. Just don't be afraid to add any LUTs on your footage here because you can just always lower the extra end easily. And then once I'm okay with that, I will now adjust the exposure and the curves on my clips into my liking. I also lift the shadow more a bit to have a brighter mood so it does not look too dark. And here's the before and after. Also, my favorite about the LUTs with Filmora is you can use any LUTs that is inspired by the movie like the Joker, Harry Potter, Game of Thrones, and Batman. So for me, this is just so very useful if you're a film enthusiast because you can now make your videos that is inspired with your favorite movies with the use of these presets. So discover your beauty in your heart by using the Filmora LUTs. I promise you, it would be worth it. And there's a link in my description below. So now, back to the video. Okay, for the main character, I applied a bit with my style, but not too much because I also don't wanna ruin his face so that I can recognize the character on the movie every time I see her in my wall. So now it is almost done. This painting is just takes me too long to finish it because acrylic is not really my medium, but I'm so happy that I tried this one. This is probably one of my best yet because every process of this painting is just hits different, so it's kinda enjoyable to be honest. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I do, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.